UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Level up your Excel productivity with our Advanced Excel course. Spreadsheets are essentially tools for handling and analysing data. If you're ready to go beyond basic Excel skills and become a true data expert, this hands-on course is perfect for you. Through practical use cases and real-world data sets, you'll build confidence in navigating, manipulating, and cleaning data. Learn how to apply the right data types for different scenarios and tackle tasks that go far beyond simple functions like sum and average. We'll start by understanding different Excel data types and learning efficient navigation, data entry, and manipulation techniques. The course then dives into data conversion, cleaning, and the power of formulas to solve real-world problems. You'll explore advanced functions, efficient data search strategies, and how to use Excel to validate and automate data to minimize errors. The course also introduces the use of artificial intelligence in Excel, equipping you with cutting-edge tools to enhance your data-driven decision-making. Mastering Excel will give you skills that are valuable across any industry. By learning advanced data analysis and visualization techniques, you'll become more efficient and effective in roles that require data management. These skills will make you a stronger candidate for career advancement. So whether you're in marketing, finance, operations, or any other field, the course focuses on solving real-world business problems. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.